Good morning children. Today we are going to do extra exercise of unit 6 Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Choose the correct answer. Goldilocks went to a dash near her house. Where did Goldilocks went? To a forest, zoo, cottage or lake? She went to a forest. So forest is the correct answer. We'll put a tick on forest. 2 number. There was dash in the cottage. Anybody, somebody, everybody, nobody. So nobody is the correct answer. Remember when Goldilocks entered into the cottage, there was nobody. So the correct answer is nobody. Now we'll go to the next page. 3 number. The dash lived in the cottage. Now who lived in the cottage? Fox family, monkey family, bear family, giraffe family. What is the correct answer? Bear family. Who lived in the cottage? Bear family. 4 number. Goldilocks saw dash bowls of porridge on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bowls did Goldilocks saw? Only 3. So the correct answer is 3 bowls. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. 5 number. The big bowl was for baby bear, papa bear, mama bear, Goldilocks. So the big bowl was for whom? It was for papa bear. It was for whom? It was papa bear. So again we will read. The bear family lived in the cottage. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. The big bowl was for papa bear. Now we'll go to the 6th number. The porridge in the big bowl was less, more, hot, cold. What it was? It was hot. So what is the correct answer? Hot. H-O-T, hot. The porridge in the middle-sized bowl was less, more, hot, cold. What is the correct answer? It was cold. What it is? Cold. The porridge in the dash bowl was just right. Tiny, big, middle, curly. So tiny is the correct answer. Once again we will read. The porridge in the big bowl was hot. The porridge in the middle-sized bowl was cold. The porridge in the tiny bowl was just right. Okay, now we'll go to the 9th one. The middle-sized bed was for dash. The middle-sized bed was for dash. Baby bear, papa bear, mama bear, Goldilocks. So middle-sized bear was for whom? For mama bear. So mama bear is the correct answer. The big bed was very hot, hard, cold, soft. So what is the correct answer? It is hard. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too hot, hard, cold, soft. What is the correct answer? Soft. What is the correct answer? Soft. Once again we will read, children. The middle-sized bed was for mama bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. Now we'll read all the choose the correct once again. Okay. 1 number. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Choose the correct answer. Goldilocks went to a forest near her house. The answer is forest. There was dash in the cottage. So the answer is nobody. There was nobody in the cottage. The dash lived in the cottage. So bear family lived in the cottage. Goldilocks saw dash bowls of porridge on the table. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. The big bowl was for dash. The big bowl was for papa bear. We will go to the next 6th number. The porridge in the big bowl was dash. The porridge in the big bowl was hot. The porridge in the middle-sized bowl was cold. The porridge in the bowl was just right. The porridge in the tiny bowl was just right. Now can you tell me the tiny bowl was of whom? The tiny bowl was of baby bear, right? And middle-sized bowl was for whom? It was mama bear. And the big size bowl was of whom? It was papa bear. That is why it was tiny bowl was of baby bear, curly locks like the taste of the tiny bowl. Now we'll go to the 9th one. The middle size bed was for mama bear. For whom? For mama bear. The big bed was very hard. It was very hard. It was of whom? It was papa bear. So it was very hard. The middle size bed was too what? It was too soft. What it was? It was too soft. So middle size bed was of whom? It was for mama bear, but it was too soft. And the tiny bed was of baby bear. It was too good. It was nice. It was very good. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this. Choose the correct answers in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting.